Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let us see what's up with you, Leo. September 18 to 24, 2023. You have the Sea Star, the Tree of Life, and Storm. Okay, itong Sea Star na to is about your simplicity. Maaring parang you're going to make things simple. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo magde-declutter. Magtatanggal ng mga kalat-kalat sa bahay ninyo, sa office ninyo, sa workplace ninyo. Yung parang magbabawas ng mga hindi naman kailangang gamit. And even the way you dress up or you carry yourself, so mas kumbaga magiging less is more, ganon, na kung dati makapal ka mag-makeup, ngayon very very light na lang ang makeup mo, or dati marami kang mga accessories na ginagamit, no, ngayon babawasan mo na yon. Siguro nakikita mo na mas madaling kumilos or mas mabilis magawa ang isang bagay kapag simple lang. Oo. Ayan. And this is also not just being simple but also being elegant as well. Simple but elegant. And maari ring yung iyong instinct, yung intuition mo, is going to be on point. Maaring mas magiging madali para sa'yo na makapag-desisyon, lalo na you are so much connected to your higher self. And ito namang tree of life is about blessings, about growth. So I see growth in you pagdating sa career mo or life in general. So this is also about support. Kung ano man yung mga needs mo, kung sa tingin mo hindi mo kayang ma-fulfill for yourself, don't worry kasi may tutulong sa'yo. There is always going to help you or support you. So you are growing as a person. You are improving. There's like an expansion in your career, in your business, in your life, in your relationships. You also have the storm. Itong storm is about transition, pagbabago. Okay, so I think some of you naka-experience kayo ng challenges in the past, and it's time for you to, go to a different direction. Okay? Ito yung pagkakaroon mo ng lakas ng loob, ng confidence na mag-move forward, mag-move on. Dahil yung challenge na experience mo is making you grow. 'Di ba? So, yung change, may growth. And ayan, nagta-transition na yung change na yan. So, let's see what else. Leo. You have the Emperor. Wow, ang ganda naman ito. So, this is having strength and also structure sa buhay mo. You are fully in control of your life. You are taking control of your life. Kung dati merong nag-try na i-control yung buhay mo, ngayon you are claiming back your power. You also have the Hanged Woman. So, nagkakaroon ka ng iba't ibang perspective sa buhay ngayon. You are reassessing your life. You're also going to be more focused on your career and also mastering your craft. You also have the Seven of Pentacles. Patience is very important for you ngayong week na to. Kasi maaring may mga bagay na minamadali ka, gusto mo maagad makita yung resulta ng mga sinimulan mo, ng mga itinanim mo. Siyempre, 'di ba, kapag nagtanim tayo, hindi naman yun agad-agad kinabukasan mamumunga na agad. Okay, so ito yung time na kailangan mong mas maging patient and work towards whatever it is requiring you to do, no? Oo, i-fulfill mo lang kung ano yung nire-require na action ng iyong goals dahil eventually you will reap the rewards. Okay? You also have Mercury in Scorpio in the 8th house. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring merong pipilit sa inyo na paniwalaan ng isang bagay. Can be anything. Can be sa may, mag-o-offer sa'yo na, ito, subukan mo to kasi maganda to. Can be sa business or a product or kung ano pa. But you have your own, meron kang sarili mong meron kang sarili mong discernment. So, use that. Kasi nga, like what I mentioned kanina, your instinct is going to be on point this week. So, gamitin mo yung instinct mo na yan, yung iyong intuition na yan, to see which is resonating with you and which is not. Okay? You also have Moon in Taurus in the 2nd house, exaltation. Yes. Ang Taurus kasi is exalted rin sa 2nd house because energy niya yan. So, I think you are also going to be focusing more on your finances, your money, your career. Andun yung iyong pag-aalaga eh. And this is also happiness. Happiness, fulfillment sa kung ano yung meron ka. Ano yung na-achieve mo, ano yung income mo ngayon. You also have Honeybee, Divine Feminine. You are being called on to rise. Yes, you are rising from the ashes. Parang phoenix energy lang. Na, like what I mentioned kanina, kung yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng mga challenges in the past, you are rising. You are transitioning. You are healing. Ayan o. Heart medicine, let go of what which does not serve your highest good. You are letting go of the things, the people that are no longer serving your highest good. Kumbaga tinatanggal mo na yung mga toxic sa buhay mo. Ayan. And you are now in control of your life. So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.